Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I love playing with polymer clay with my kids. This set by Aestd-ST has everything you need to get started, get going, and have fun. It comes with 72 different colors of polymer clay. Also with this kit are a variety of tools so that you can cut, crimp, make holes, flatten, do whatever you need to do to make your creation come to life. One of the things that I love about working with polymer clay is that it does not air dry. So if your kids leave it out, if you leave it out overnight, you're not going to come back to some hardened mess that you have to throw away. It stays soft and workable until you bake it. And then there's an instruction manual to show you exactly how to bake it, at what temperature, and for how long. We've been having a lot of fun working together on different projects, and I love seeing what my kids have been coming up with. And one of the best parts, it comes with this carrying case. So you can fit everything, clay, tools, fittings, into this case for easy cleanup and to keep everything together so you don't have any lost pieces. So if you're ready to start working with polymer clay, then this kit is definitely the one to check out. And that's my point of view.